Let me ask you a quick question. Do you have a website? And if so, how's that going for you? Let's face it, 10 years ago, websites were the greatest thing since sliced bread. You put a website up, sell your products or you promote your services, you buy some ads, and if you did it right, you put $1 or £1 in advertising into your website and you get a couple out. But over the last 10 years, the competition has become a lot stronger. There are millions of new websites popping up every day. Ad costs are going up, as we know, through all the platforms, and the same website you put your money into, you're not getting the return back out. Okay, so that's the bad news. The good news is, just like how CDs replaced vinyl records when they died, although they are making a retro comeback, and DVDs replaced videotapes when they went, and now online streaming has replaced them, we now have something that can replace that sleeping website. Websites which are silently waiting for visitors to land on them. Even the oldest and most boring website can have something we call progressive technology disclosure added to the same site, or in layman's terms, a chatbot. So what does this chatbot do and how will it work for you? So let's take some examples. Let's say you're a double glazing or a plumber or electrician type of company, and you're going to be relying on visitors who land on your site after they've found you on some kind of search engine, Google, possibly using one of the sites like Checkatrade or similar, and you want them to fill in your contact form on your website, or indeed the Holy Grail, pick up the phone and call you. Now let's assume that one visitor has found 4 or 5 different companies that they've identified in their area offering their services that they want, and they're diligently going through each one's website to see who can offer them what they want. Which one stands out the most to them? Which one will they call? And whose contact form will they fill out? Well, that's the $1 million question, of course, and if we knew that, everyone would have the same message or the same looking site. However, what we do know is that visitors to sites will interact with an automated chatbot, and we have the proof. The chatbot is engaging with them from the start of their visit, giving them the right information in a clear way, helping them navigate to what they want immediately, and most importantly, collecting the most valuable data out there, their name, their email address, and possibly even their phone number, the whole while keeping them engaged. So think about that for a minute. What was once a silent website has suddenly been transformed without changing the site, without changing the content or the colors or paying for a designer, into an automated lead capture sales machine. So can you honestly say that your website is doing that for you? So you now have 2 choices. You can leave your website up and hope that your website visitors will call you and fill in your contact form. Or choice number 2, you can let us build you a bespoke chatbot with your own branding, colors, and we'll upload it onto your site, giving you a new exciting lead capture machine, and watch the interaction soar. So, what decision are you going to make? Deep down, I think you know the answer to that. So click on the link below and let's take this forward. Get your website working for you the way it's supposed to work.